హాయ్ గాయ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ ఎస్కే ఫ్యాక్ట్స్. సో ఈరోజు మేము మీకు ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ కాకుండా ఏదైనా స్పెషల్ చెప్దామా అనుకుంటున్నాము. ఈరోజు గాంధీ జయంతి కాబట్టి ఈరోజు మనం కొన్ని లైన్స్ మహాత్మా గాంధీ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాము. చెప్పడం మర్చిపోయా, హ్యాపీ గాంధీ జయంతి. Mahatma Gandhi. He was born 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. This was the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was also known as Father of our nation. His birthday is a national holiday in India. It is also the International Day of Non-Violence. His spouse was Kasturba Gandhi. He was the leader of India's non-violent independent movement against British rule. He was advocated for civil rights of India. He was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize 5 times. His main goal was to free India from British occupation, to end untouchability, to improve relations between Hindus and Muslims, to make India into a self-reliant economically and socially. He was struggled for many movements like non-cooperation movement, Salt March, Quiet India and many more.
Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year as a national festival of Indians by the Indians with the same enthusiasm. This day is for remembering his teaching and values, which he contributed to the society, and to understand the sacrifices he made for the freedom of our country by arranging different struggle movements. Various institutes like schools, colleges, and the government offices organize different programs to pay their tribute to the father of our nation. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorable at Rajpath, Delhi. It is a non-violence day in India. Children's play role on Mahatma Gandhi. It is one of the official declared holiday in India. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on every 2nd October. 2nd October is also the birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India. Gandhi Jayanti is very patriotic day, so we should always maintain the legal of this day. Some institutes hold different programs like art and book exhibitions of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was a faithful supporter of non-violence, truth and peace. Political parties and people gather near Rajghat Memorial to pay the homage of the father of the nation. Once again, happy Gandhi Jayanti. Now it's question time. Who is Gandhiji's spouse? Please comment down this answer. Bye bye. See you in the next video.